Here we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA Estate 220D AMG Line Night Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 18-inch black multi-spoke alloy wheels, all unmarked. We also have the white exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, the Pan America front grille with the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Round to the passenger side, you find that we have the colour-coded door handles, we have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the rear spoiler as well. We have a reversing camera around to the rear, with the quad-tip exhaust as well. And walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll find that we have the half leather interior with the fixed ISO points just there as well. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, again the half leather interior, and there is a look at them front seats. On the doors you find the electric windows with child lock for the rear and electric mirrors as well. We have the auto lights just there, a flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on either side. We also have the stalk for the cruise control and speed limiter down there. Digital screen in the centre of the dashboard, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre console, which has the lights of the sat nav on there. We also have the FM and AM radios. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, the Mercedes-Benz link and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching.